Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to upload music to Spotify on Android. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-Minute Solution. So open your Spotify app and tap on this gear icon to the top right corner and scroll down and search for local files. Once you get it, just toggle on this to enable, and here we can see add tracks from this device into your library. So after enabling this option, tap on your library and tap on local files, and here you will get songs from your Android device. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.